Hey everyone, let's move forward with JWT. So we will start implementing our JWT uh, in Django application. So here I have created one Django application. So this is a basic Django application. Python. So here you can see this is the initially installed Django application. I have not changed anything. So this is our application. So in this we will be uh, establishing JWT and how we will use JWT with our Django. So for this we will be using Simple JWT. So Django Simple JWT. So this Django Simple JWT we are going to use. So let's go to get started. So this is a Django Rest Framework JWT. So we need to install this. For this we also need to install Django Rest Framework. So let's go to Django Rest Framework. Let's install Django Rest Framework also. Now let's go back to our simple JWT. So for this we need to do our project configuration. So we will just copy paste all of this. Go to JWT settings. Here at the bottom I will go not copied. So this is okay. So this is our default authentication class. We converted it into JWT. Next we will create these views. So these are provided to us. Let's go to URL and add these both token and refresh token. Token pair view will be imported from our Django REST framework. And one more thing, let's add this verify also to verify if our JWT token is valid or not. Let's import this one also. So what I have done till now is in our settings we have provided our REST framework with what is the authentication class we are going to use, and in our URLs we are importing these views from REST framework simple JWT, and we have provided three parts. One is API token. This will be used with our username and password to login. Second will be our API token to refresh to get the new access token. So this will give us a refresh token and access token. This will give us a new access token, and this will be used to verify if our token is valid or not. Next, in our installed apps we will add our REST framework JWT. Let's go to installed applications, third party. I will. So that's it, I guess. So if we need a bare minimum JWT authentication, that's it for our Django. we have done everything. So let's start our server and see if this happens. First, let's do our migration. Okay, so all the migrations are done. Let's run it. Okay, so we have added all these URLs and I have insomnia here. Let's go to new request and create a new request. That would be HTTP localhost and our port is 8000 and our URL would be API token. So if I send a get request on this one, I should get method is not allowed. So let's go. This is a post request we are going to send and it requires our username and password. Okay, so goes to body and body would be JSON format. Let's give it username and password. So our username would be, let's say, admin and our password would also be admin. If I give it no active accounts, so this is correct because we haven't created any accounts till now for our, sorry, we haven't created any accounts so to create this verification. So let's create one account. So we can create a super user for the admin part. So I can manage that, create super user. So let's give it my name, email address, get at the rate in, password also reject, and yes, I will bypass it. Okay, so we have created one user now. Let's start the server again. Let's go to our admin panel and have created one user called Rajat and password also called Rajat. So right now, if I go to users, I have only one user, so that should work. So let's go to our insomnia and username will be Rajat and password is also Rajat. Hmm, I got an error, invalid algorithm error from JWT. Okay, let me check what is the issue here. Okay, so I think I have found the issue. The problem was like I have given the name of our application was JWT and this JWT simple REST framework simple JWT also imports some library from JWT that wasn't available because the module names were conflicting. So we were getting that issue. So now I have renamed my application to JWT demo and I have renamed it and I have tested it. So I've created one more user to check if, so I will, if I go to back my old user, so this is also working fine. So you can see this is same. I have added REST framework We have updated our application name, and let's go back to URLs. So here you can see we have API token that gives us tokens for login. So as we seen in last video, what JWT does is it has three things. First thing, this thing are payload, this thing that verifies this URL. So this takes a secret key for Django to verify it. So if let's see this part, let's go back to our site version from B64. So this is the this is the payload we are getting. So it says the token type is access, when it's going to expire, and uh, what is the user ID for the user. So based on this we will make so based on this our application will decide if this user ID have access to that part of our application or not. So what happens when this expires? So let's create a new request. Let's rename it to login. Now second request would be to refresh token. Refresh. So same thing, it will also be a post request, and this is our URL for refresh. So we need a refresh token. So let's go to parameter JSON, add refresh. I think I should zoom it. Can I zoom it? Yes, I can, but it would be very small for you, right? So let's refresh, and here I'm going to provide a refresh token. So this token we need to provide. So we got a new access token that works with new expiry date. Okay, so now we have our refresh token, we can refresh this, and the last one is validating our token. Validate. Okay, so this is also going to be a post request. Let's see. Okay, no, our this is verify. So this requires a token for us to verify, and what it will verify is this access token or any access token we have. So it can verify if this is a valid token or not. So for this we'll provide token and send it. This is 200. Okay, so this is a valid token, and if I change some data here and I send it, so token is invalid or expired because this is just an invalid because we deleted that part. Okay, so this is how you can implement JWT in your Django application. It's a simple JWT application, REST framework simple JWT. So we have our token, we will refresh our token, and we can verify our token. There are more functionalities regarding our simple JWT. So let's see those settings first once. These are the settings. So these are all the settings that are available for our simple JWT: access token lifetime, refresh token lifetime, how long we want to keep those token, blacklist we can use when we are logging out, and update last login. These are all the things, you can check it out. If you think you need a video on all of these topics, please let me know down in the comments. So if it is required, I will break down all of these points and create a video on all of these settings by Simple JWT. So that's it for implementing our JWT in our Django application. Thank you and have a nice day.